Hey guys, welcome to Jay's Skincare. As some of you might know, I'm originally from Delhi, India, but I live in Canada right now and I've been away from home for the past 3 years. If there's anything apart from family and friends that I miss, that would be Indian skincare. For a lot of centuries now, women in India have just identified and discovered some amazing ingredients available in our kitchen, our pantry, and in our gardens. And those have been used for many centuries in a lot of the DIY Indian skincare products. They have been passed on for centuries and decades among women in India. To be honest, even a lot of Indian celebrities and beauty pageant winners swear by some of these ingredients that I'm going to be sharing with you. They incorporate them regularly in their skincare routine. And honestly speaking, you don't need to be a celebrity to look your very best. I'm going to introduce you eventually to a lot of the skincare ingredients that are used in India, but I'm going to start off today by introducing one of my personal favorite skincare ingredient that I use in my own DIY skincare home products. And that ingredient is licorice root powder. I've personally seen some great results with this, so I'm going to be sharing the benefits of licorice root powder, as well as I'll be sharing some recipes that I use on a weekly or a day-to-day basis using licorice. I'm going to share those recipes in the upcoming videos. So let's get started with what this ingredient is all about. Licorice root powder is made from the root of licorice plant called Glycyrrhiza glabra. Licorice root is considered as one of the world's oldest herbal remedies. It's cultivated throughout Asia, the Middle East, and Europe. I use licorice root powder in a lot of the DIY skincare recipes that I make for myself, like face packs, creams, lotions, gels, toner, face and body scrub. So let's talk about some of the benefits of licorice root powder in skincare. Licorice helps to reverse hyperpigmentation. It reduces dark patches and blemishes on the skin and evens the skin tone out, bringing a natural glow. Licorice is a natural alternative to the harsh depigmenting agent called hydroquinone. Licorice root extract or licorice root powder hinders or slows down the natural production of excessive melanin. It has a component called glabridin, which plays an essential role in hindering the tyrosinase activity. So it brings about that radiance and glow in your skin. It also reduces hyperpigmentation that's caused by harmful UV rays and UVB. Licorice also has a soothing effect on your skin. It helps ease inflammation. It reduces redness, irritation, swelling, and can be used to treat skin conditions like dermatitis, eczema, psoriasis. If you didn't know, licorice also helps to regenerate the skin's collagen and elastin supply. Both of these are really essential to keep our skin smooth, elastic, and soft. So, licorice helps fight against skin aging and keeps the skin youthful. When it comes to the benefits of licorice, the list is huge, but I'll have to keep it short for the sake of the video, so feel free to do your own research on the benefits of licorice. But to end on an exciting note, I want to share that licorice root extract is generally well tolerated among different types of skin, so it's suitable for all skin types. And again, if your primary concern is hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, then this is a great ingredient to use in your skin products. But even if you don't have any of that, it's just an amazing ingredient to use to bring that radiance and glow to your skin. So look out for my next video, which is going to be on this beautiful and amazing golden licorice face cream. This can be used at the nights, this can be used in the mornings. This is going to bring that glow and radiance to your skin within 3 days. You're going to notice that glow on your face. This is a very simple recipe to make, and I'm going to share that in the next video. So look out for that. But thank you for watching this one, and I hope to see you soon.